All right, guys, today we're going to do a little bit of a review with a pixel art. It's review of multi-step equations. You need pencil, paper, and calculator. Now, those of you that are virtual students, you will be uploading your work that you do with your pencil and paper into ClassKick when you're done with this. If you are an in-person student, you will show me this work in class. Now, let me open up. When you open up the multi-step pixel art, okay, see how this says best view is set when zoom is zoomed to 50%. Up here, changes to 50%. It makes it smaller. And this shows you how to enter your answers. Solve each equation. This is your format. X equals answer, but no spaces. And as you enter the proper answers, the pixel picture will reveal itself. And you'll see it'll change from red to black, and you will have pictures appear to the right. Answers that are incorrect will stay red, and you will not get any pixels. So if something is wrong, you need to go back and figure it out. Now, we are going to do, this is what it looks like. Okay, here's the directions, and you go to here. You are going to do 20 problems. We are going to do 2 of these together right now as a review to how to solve equations and how to solve the pixel art. We're going to do number 1 together. So you want to write this down and label this number 1. When you put these problems on your paper, make sure you're labeling them so you can find your work if you need it. Now, this problem, how do we solve this? Draw a line down the middle. On the left side, first thing we're going to do is distribute. Negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. Negative 8 times negative 3x is positive 24x equals 104. Remember, step 1 to solving equations is to simplify both sides, whether you need to use a distributive property or combine like terms. Do that first. Now, we can solve by adding 16 to both sides. And we'll have 24x equals 120. Divide both sides by 24. And we end up with x is 5. So this work should be written on your paper. Now I'm going to go back to the pixel art. In this first box, now watch what's going to happen. When I start typing x equals, and we just found our answer to be 5. See how it's red? I hit 5. Now, I either need to hit enter or click in another box. See how that turned black? And over here, some pixels filled in, so we know we're right. We are going to do number 16 together. Okay, we're going to do 16 now. Make sure you write 16 down, label it 16. Now, solve this one. We're going to draw a line down the middle. Bring down the negative 136. And on this side, the first thing I need to do is distribute the negative 10. So I'm going to bring down this negative 6. Negative 10 times x is negative 10x. Negative 10 times positive 3 is negative 30. So minus 30. Now on this side, I still need to combine like terms. Negative 6 minus 30 is negative 36. Bring down the minus 10x. Now we solve by adding 36 to both sides. So we have negative 100 equals negative 10x. Last step, divide both sides by negative 10, and we end up with x is 10. Now I'm going to go back to the pixel art. This is number 16. And remember, our answer is x equals 10. So I'm going to go here and type in x equals 10. Again, see it's red. I'm going to click in another space. Turns black, more things turn in. We are going to do one more problem together, number 17. Copy down number 17. Make sure you are labeling it number 17. So again, you can find your work if you need to. Now, To solve this, draw our line down the middle. First thing we're going to do, distribute the negative 7. So I'm going to bring down my negative 2x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times negative 3 is positive 21 equals 111. On this left side, I'm still going to combine like terms. Negative 2x minus 7x is negative 9x. Bring down the plus 21 equals 111. Subtract 21 from both sides, and I end up with negative 9x equals 90. Divide both sides by negative 9, and we end up with x is negative 10. So this is 17. We got negative 10. I'm going to go back to my pixel art, and I'm going to type in x equals negative 10. And I'm going to click in another space. There we go. So you guys are going to finish all of these problems. Your picture will be totally filled in, and then you need to upload your work or show it to me. Let me know if you have any questions.